Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today, our recipe is super easy and simple. We're going to be making chocolate key lime pie. We got a little bowl, our little mixer. Y'all, let's get started. So we already have 1 block of cream cheese and about a teaspoon of lime zest. We're going to be adding 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. You see all that nice creaminess from that condensed milk. And we're on to our second can. Y'all, I love sweetened condensed milk. I can eat it right out the can, which is probably weird, but I love it. And we're going to be adding about half of a cup of sour cream. I'm using light. You could use regular. And this is going to help our pie be nice and thick and creamy. We're also going to be adding about a half a cup of lime juice and 2 egg yolks. We're also going to be giving that little chocolate hint, about a half of a teaspoon to about a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And let's go ahead and give that a nice mix, and make sure you mix it for a good few minutes so that way your pie will be nice and thick. So it should look something like this after about 5 minutes. You see it's nice and creamy. So come on, y'all, let's add this to our chocolate pie crust. Ooh, y'all. Almost filled it to the top. Had a little extra over, but I like a good feeling for my pies. And we're going to add that to our refrigerator and let it sit for overnight or for a few hours if you're pressed for time and really just want to eat. So y'all, it's been a few hours later. And let's go ahead and do our cutting to the pie test and see if it is firm enough for us. Take your time now, take your time. You don't want to rush this part because we want a cute, nice little slice. Just a nice little slice. And I also decorated with a little bit more lime zest and just a cute little lime in the middle. You could also add whipped cream if you like that on your key lime pie. But y'all, look at this. Look at it. It's so nice and thick, creamy. Ooh, y'all, I love key lime pie. But to add a little chocolate twist, it goes a little extra mile. And of course, y'all know I had to be extra. I just put a little pie slice on this cute little tray I found at Ross. It is perfect for the little summertime treats. But look how cute it is. Y'all see, it's like shaped like a popsicle. I love it. I love cute decor. But y'all, this pie is bussin'. I had to take another piece because it's just so good. Y'all, look at this. Y'all try this recipe and let me know what you're talking about. If you like a key lime, go ahead and try this. But y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.